My brother is heading to an electronics store to check up on his computer until Barney the boar in the crappy Cadillac Escalade to your left acts like he owns the road. You'll see how he acts like he owns the road. He first high beams the Jeep Commander to harass him to move forward so he can get past him. He will now high beam my brother to push him to go faster. Bear in mind, folks, my brother is driving at the speed limit and he's using the left lane to go to the on-ramp, the 294 South. He will now inch close to my brother to tailgate him. He will later high beam my brother out of spite for slowing for a yellow arrow that he clearly cannot make. Two minutes later, he will even high beam my brother even before he turns onto the on-ramp. When my brother tries to evade Barney the boar, he has the white sedan go in front of him. Now he's taking his anger out on the white sedan for so-called slowing him down. Barney the boar acts like he has place to be. His place is to like hunt food. He felt while feeling threatened by his enemies in the way. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe for more thrilling content to come up. Thank you for watching this clip. Goodbye.